Greetings and salutations. This is Carla from MooreTalkJa, and this is just an impromptu video. I never actually planned for this, so don't pay attention to my background. It's tragic, right? I'm actually trying to put my face right here, so you won't look at my background. But I was just reasoning through something with myself, and I wanted to just come and talk to you about it a little bit. So if you've been following me for a while, and you know that you have been going through this whole thing about like personal growth and development for a while now, like when I go through the ups and downs with me times when I just missing off of YouTube and whatever, come I forgot to attend to myself. One of the things that I had to become comfortable with when I decided to take charge of my own life as a woman is the idea that people will call me a bitch. I had to become very comfortable with it, and it took me a while. And people have called me bitch before, but they would always do it. It would always be in a joking way, be like, oh my God, she's such a bitch. But, the implication is that, she is this particular way, but it's funny and it's for entertainment and it's great. It's different when people actually say you are a bitch. Now she's such a, that girl there is a bitch. My boss is a bitch. A girl is a bitch. Or you move like bitch, so. Right? When them start bust the B extra hard, right? And usually what that means is that you're bossy, or them feel like you're fighty, or you're too demanding. That's one of the things that they always say is you're too demanding or whatever that. And one of the things that we're raised to value very much as women is being able to get along with people, having people think that we are nice, people thinking that we're accommodating, generally people thinking positively about us. We don't want people to ever think that we're too combative, or we're not making an effort to fit in, or to do, make them happy and stuff like that. And I had to just accept it, that the truth is, when you step out to make a life for yourself, the life that you want, it's almost impossible that you're going to be able to do that without making other people uncomfortable or crossing their path in some way. It's almost impossible. Like if you think about the people that we think are most peaceful in this world, like people like Gandhi and Mother Teresa and them people there were people who even objected to the things that they were doing at the time. Not to mention when you start thinking about people who actually changed the world, like Marcus Garvey and Malcolm X and Rosa Parks. Like Rosa Parks is a woman who changed the world. The woman basically look upon them and say, nah, me not get up out of the back on a bus. Me not go sit down around there. Me I sit down up at the front. My foot them tired, right? And anybody, the white people them could have look upon her and say, yo, that black girl is a bitch. Yo, she uppity and she nuff and whatever. The world is a much better place because of her. Right? So I guess this actually applies to people regardless of gender, but from my own experiences as a woman, I can speak to it from that particular place. Come to terms with the fact that people will think you're a bitch, because oftentimes that word is used to scare you away from being autonomous, from being independent, from being critical, and from really, really, really being active in creating the life that you want for yourself. It's just a word. They say it, you have probably said it about women in positions of power. Them not come out of power yet. People probably not like them, but them not come out of power. Them a do them thing, them a live them life, they're happy, right? You may have to swallow some of the things that you have said about women who are in positions of power in the past. Because now you realize that maybe they're not actually bitches, they're just women who are living lives on their own terms. So even though the name of this thing is that B asterisk TCH, me I gotta tell you. Say if you want your life turn out the way you want it turn out, you have to go put the I in the bitch. You're gonna have to be a bitch to get it done. Right? Nobody fear the word there. Nobody meant them take the word there and scare you and shame you, all of them something there. Go out there, be independent, be comfortable that the words that they use to describe you cannot harm you, and take charge of your life. And actually, this is probably going to be the first in a series, because this goes for almost everything that people could say about you that has nothing to do with the truth of who you are. It's just words. All right? Love, peace, and chicken grease. Oh, yeah, and like, let me tell you, see me today, looking like a lit Pentecostal. Get into these pink tones. Boo! The edges was laid, they're gone now. Pink tones. Boo! The edges was laid, they're gone now. Okay, bye.